What was he dreaming about? What was it? What was he dreaming about? Yeah? Was it funny? Yeah? What happened? What was he dreaming about? What was it? It was exciting? Yeah? It was very exciting? What happened in it? Can you tell Mommy what happened in it? Can you tell Mommy what you dream about? Oh, you don't know? You don't remember? You just know it was exciting? Yeah? It was very, very exciting. Yes. Oh, did you fart? What was that? Did you farted? You got there. You got there. Yeah. What is it? What is it? What?